Hey everybody. Hey everybody, welcome back or welcome if you're new. I gotta get rid of the script. Anyways, today we are going to clean because the house is messy. It's Monday. I've already got all of my Etsy stuff done for the days and it's still pretty early, so we're gonna clean. I just got done washing the sheets, which is what I do on Mondays, so I need to put those in the dryer. But let's just say it's a mess, but it's like the daily cleaning, picking up after yourself kind of mess. So that's what we're gonna do today. Also, this video is sponsored by Eufy, and I have finally going to show y'all the camera that they sent me with the floodlights on it. We have been loving it. It is so cool also to see the video clips in your app. But I did want to say, because I forgot to mention it in the actual sponsored clip of this video, is that Eufy's camera system is subscription free, and also their app is free as well. So you don't have to worry about any kind of extra stuff, fees, anything like that. So I wanted to make sure that I let y'all know that, because that I need to tell you. But anyways, I'm so excited, and so awesome. Anyways, okay, I'm rambling. We're gonna get on to the video now. If you're new here, my name's Kimmy, and I make somewhat relaxing cleaning videos and also other things. So I may not look relaxed, I may look excited, but that is because generally I am pretty excited. So okay, that's what we're doing today. I've already said that 4 times. Okay, get it together, girl. Get it together. All right, come along for the ride. Hopefully this motivates you, inspires you, or entertains you while you watch. I'm gonna go now. Also, Chloe says hello, and now she wants down, so we're gonna do that. Oh, I just took her outside. All right, have fun. You hungry? Okay, bye.
It's like we're running in circles, going around every day, getting stuck in the hurdles of yesterday. Don't you wanna go further away from the fray? Let's not get stuck in our worries, we'll make our own way. Won't you come outside where the sunflowers bloom? Breathe in the air, look up to the moon. I'll meet you outside, away from the crowd, just you and me together. It will all seem better outside, just us in the sky. Part of this circus, is it innate? Feels like a heavy burden, but I can't relate. Do our actions even matter, or is this our fate? At least now I'm feeling better, I know I'm here to stay. Won't you come outside where the sunflowers bloom?
Alright, so this is our bedroom, and I need to fold these clothes and then put them away. All of those I folded last night, so I just need to put them away today. And then it may not be in this video because the sheets are in the dryer, but I will today at some point put the sheets back on the bed. That's why they're not there, but that is what we need to do in the bedroom today. And after we do this section, then I will show y'all and talk to y'all a lot more about our new camera for outside safety. But Eufy does have a whole lot of cameras for all sorts of needs, so inside, outside, and they have like dog water fountain, pet fountains, which I think is super cool. So yeah, they have a lot, but we're gonna go over the Floodlight 2 Pro camera today. That's like a 360 radius, so you can like see so much and so clear because it's in 2K. But I'll be quiet now. We'll talk about that after we get done with these clothes, and then we will clean up the kitchen.
Tonight, but you don't seem to forget about yourself. Wondering how it could go so wrong, but you didn't call for help. But let me tell you about the trees and the seas, how it's all connected. The flowers and the birds and bees, the northern lights, yeah, we're all affected. Pray, pray, pray. I'm breathing in. I'm breathing out. That's pouring into you. And so my friend, let me tell you once again, and you know that it's true. Forget about seeing it or hearing it, in the end you must feel. Forget about all you know, you need to go, it's okay to let go. Just let it go, go, go. Then you're breathing in. You're breathing out. We're breathing in.
I did want to tell y'all that this next clip was filmed about 4 days ago, so I will be dressed different and look different and possibly have a different energy about me, I guess you could say. So if that is a little like not prepared, I just wanted to let y'all know beforehand, and now we're gonna get into that clip. Today I wanted to share with y'all our Eufy Floodlight Cam 2 Pro with 360-degree lens with AI detection and technology. Within about 20 minutes, we had our electrician set this up right here where we used to have our regular light switch, and it does have 360-degree pan, tilt camera, AI detection, tracking technology, 2K resolution, video quality, no subscription fees, and turn night into day with 3000 lumens, super bright motion activated floodlights, deter intruders, and ensure detailed full color recording even at night. And I'm going to talk to y'all a little bit more about the app that we use and all the features that are included on that as well. So it comes with a quick start guide. You can set this up on your own if you feel comfortable doing that. We just would rather have an electrician do it because they are a professional. But here is what we got, the Eufy Floodlight Cam 2 Pro. And then here's the app right here. Eufy Security is the app. And I have a notification. You will get a notification pop up if it sees any movement outside. This is what it sees out there now. It just says backyard, and there's nothing going on right there now, but it has the date and the time also, so that's very helpful just in case something does happen. You have the date, and here is the navigation right here. You can push it up manually if you want. So there's Aaron right there walking around, and now he's coming inside. Oh, look. Eufy Security, backyard. Someone has been spotted. This is perfect. I didn't know he was going to go up there. How cool is that? That is awesome. Also on the app, you can record, you can take a screenshot, you can hold to speak, you can look around 360 view, and also there is sound. And it also tells you what your Wi-Fi is at. Now, I am not a professional whatsoever with technology, but we did find a wonderful video that we watched before we set any of this up, because I wanted to know what we were working with and everything. So I'm going to leave that person's video down below. All they do on their channel is reviews. Their video is being advertised in commercials right now on YouTube. So I think I picked the best video ever for y'all to watch. If you want to get like really good details on this camera, all of the technology behind it, and all of that stuff that I am not good at. This is just a real life person here that does not know anything about a lot of things. So hopefully this is just an example of like a real life scenario, and being a very happy customer. So anyways, we'll use them from now on for our home security stuff, because this has been a great addition to our home. So yeah, I will leave that video link down below for y'all, and I will also leave all of the links and information you need about this product down below as well. So I hope you enjoyed this portion of the video, and now we're going to get back to the cleaning / organizing and whatever else we're doing today.
It's funny how it all played out. Broken dreams seldom get realized. For me, you were a part of life that escaped and left me outside. Who could see the will of time and that you were still a friend of mine? Our story wasn't over yet, and no one can tell what's coming next. The journey is not ours to control. The journey is not ours to control. I'm glad that it is so. I'm lucky it is so. I'm running at the speed of light, trying to seize everything I desire. But as strange as it may sound, when I'm still, things seem to come around. The journey is not ours to control. The journey is not ours to control. The journey is not.
For today is done. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a like and subscribe. Hit the bell if you are new and you want to get notified when I upload. I try to upload as often as possible for y'all. So if I skip a day, just know that I will be back the next day. But if I upload every day, then there you go. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoy this video, and I will see you probably tomorrow. Don't forget to check out Eufy down below. They gave me some codes and links for y'all to check out. And yeah, I was about to say I hope you have a great day again. So anyways, I hope you do have a great day. Alright, bye.